In this video, we are discussing Hive Overview. Hive is one data warehouse infrastructure tool which works on structured data in Hadoop. Using this Hive, we can do the data analysis, we can do the data querying and so on. At first, Facebook developed this Hive and later Apache Software Foundation took up this one, and now we are having the Apache Hive in our market. Different companies like Amazon, they are using this Hive in their different application development, and Hive is flexible, fast, scalable and also extensible. So let us go for more detailing about this Hive. So what is Hive? Hive is a data warehouse infrastructure tool to process structured data in Hadoop, and it resides on top of Hadoop to summarize big data and makes querying and also analyzing data very easily. In our Hive, we are having one query language known as HQL, that is a Hive query language, with the help of which we can do the querying on our database. Initially, Hive was developed by Facebook, and later Apache Software Foundation took it up and developed it further as an open source under the name that is Apache Hive. And it is used by different companies. For example, Amazon uses this particular Hive in their application that is a AEM, that is Amazon Elastic MapReduce. So in this way, different other companies are also using Hive in their application development. So what are the Hive features? The Hive stores schema in a database and processed data into HDFS, that is the Hadoop distributed file system. And it is designed for online transaction processing, that is OLTP. We know that databases can be divided mainly into three categories. One is the OLTP, that is online transaction processing. That means here the system will be capable to handle huge amount of transactions per minute or say per second, and here the performance of this database will be decided by the number of transactions it can handle per unit time. There is another kind of database is there, that is OLAP, that is online analytical processing, where the complex queries will get executed using them. And there the performance of this OLAP will be decided by the complexity of the queries which it can handle. And another kind of database is known as NoSQL database. This Hive is actually falling on this online transaction processing type of database, that is OLTP. It provides SQL-like query language, also known as HiveQL or HQL. It is familiar, fast, scalable and extensible. So in this way, we have discussed the Hive overview in this video. Thanks for watching this video.